Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 24D25SNF. This is your 5/8 trailer hub stud with a swivel flange nut, typically found on your 7K and 8K trailer axles. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 24D25SFN. So it's your 5/8 trailer hub stud with your swivel flange nut. Flange nuts are typically used on 17.5 inch super single wheels or solid wheels with a flat face. So that's why you would use these babies. Or they're also used on like dual wheels. We know it's a 5/8 by 18 thread, but we'll actually measure it out because a lot of people ask how tall this actually is. So the overall height of this guy is going to be 1 inch or 0.99 inches, and then it's going to reach the surface at 1.57 inches. And the stud, the overall length is going to be 3.03 inches. The head on him is going to be 0.93 inches. The knurl diameter right here, which matters the most, because if this part is too small, it's just going to fall right out of your hub, and if it's too big, you're going to have a hard time pressing it in. So double check this measurement always. This measurement is going to be 0.68 of an inch, and the threads, we'll go ahead and measure that, see how long they are. It's going to be 1.5 inches. So if you sheared off a stud, this is a good stud for you with the swivel flange nut. You can also buy these in bulk, sell them by the case, by the bag, many different options. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.